Hello everyone. For today's video, we will going through the following scenario. A school wants to increase the number of AP courses they provide. And to achieve that, school administrators want to see which courses they have been offered in the past years. To do that, I will be using the Advanced Courses feature under the Courses and Pathways category. After you get into the Advanced Courses feature, you will look at the school-wide summary section. And there are numbers of advanced courses by year chart in this section. The number of advanced courses by year charts in the school-wide summary section give you an overview of the total number of courses your school has offered in the current school year as well as in the past 4 school years. It also shows you the total number of courses your school has offered in the most recent 5 school years, as well as number of students who enrolled in at least one advanced course in the most recent 5 years. So, in this scenario, school administrators want to focus on AP courses. So we will be using the radio button here to look at only AP or IB courses. Compared to last school year, where the school offered 12 AP courses, this school year they are offering 11. To think about which courses they offered previously and maybe want to bring back, a school administrator can check out a course, let's say the AP Statistics, they offer in 21-22, 23-24, 24-25, but they are not offering this year. And the shades of the purple in this chart tells you the percentage of students who enrolled in that course in a particular year. So looks like in 23-24, 13 students, 3% of the students were enrolled. And last school year, it actually got slightly more popular. 32 students, 8% of the students were enrolled in this AP statistics class. So this might be a class the school wants to bring back to increase the number of their offered AP course. And they can scroll down the bar to look at more other informations. Similar example, the school offered AP Art History back in 21-22 school year as well as last year, and AP Biology. 39 students took the AP Biology course last year, and 26 students took the AP Art History. This is end of the scenario walkthrough. If you want to look at all your advanced courses, not only AP, you can certainly use the radio button to focus on all the data points we gave you here. This is a high school example, but our advanced courses feature does have middle school data if you are a middle school or a school supports 6 to 12 grades. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough, and don't forget to check out our other videos.